I'm Pete Hancock, Country Manager at Allegion UK, and I'm here to share the latest research findings from Briton. Fire safety plays an integral role in building environments, and as professionals, we have a responsibility to address its many challenges as we look to protect people and property. We've been observing the core challenges and concerns that decision makers face when it comes to fire door safety in healthcare, education, and commercial settings. As Briton door control experts, we have extensive experience in these areas, and we recognise there's a disparity between legislative fire safety standards and what is presently demonstrated in many buildings in these sectors. The ambiguity surrounding fire safety threatens our building environments, but why is this the case? In August 2022, we set out to find the answers, speaking to a wide range of people within healthcare, education and commercial roles. We wanted to find out more about how they approach fire safety, fire door maintenance and emergency evacuation procedures. In the education sector, we found over half of respondents were not aware of fire door maintenance procedures in their buildings, and 2 in 5 aren't aware of the latest fire door safety regulations. Similarly, in healthcare estates, only half of our respondents understood the importance of correctly specifying and installing door hardware. 3 in 4 were also unsure whether their building's fire door hardware is installed correctly and operates as it should. Finally, in commercial environments, we found 1 in 4 are not aware of fire door maintenance procedures and how this may affect fire door performance. In addition, over 20% do not understand the importance of retrofitting hardware products correctly. Fire doors are a critical element of passive fire protection and require professional specification, installation and regular maintenance. As is declared by the Fire Safety Act 2021, a building's responsible person must possess a robust knowledge of fire safety, and under the Fire Safety Order 2005, they're required to carry out regular risk assessments in healthcare, education and commercial facilities. By regularly assessing and recording the risks of fire, you can take appropriate steps to reduce or remove them. And as part of risk assessments, fire doors and their hardware should be routinely checked to ensure they remain safe and operational. When it comes to fire safety, a holistic approach is central to success. Interestingly, the core issues, as supported by our research findings, are preventable, and better education towards fire safety responsibility and hardware solutions will go a long way. For over 115 years, our goal at Briton has been to provide safe and functional building environments. More on our research findings can be found in our latest set of best practice guides. Available on request, our 3 fire door safety and review guides are designed to provide a wider understanding of fire door safety in the respective sectors. We're keen to share our expert guidance in fire door specification, installation and maintenance. Find out more by heading to the Briton website.